Hey guys, welcome back in another tutorial of the Flutter. In this tutorial, we are going to continue from our previous video. In the last lecture, we created this UI. This is basically a user login screen with some text fields and a button. If you haven't watched it yet, I will advise you to please watch it first because we are going to continue this project. I am also going to upload the GitHub link so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so this is a UI only, it is not functional. What if I need to validate these fields? For example, if I haven't added text in here and if I click the button, it should show me some message or show me some error. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's open our project. It is here. Okay, so first of all, I need to wrap it inside some form so that I can validate fields inside it. For that, what I can do is I will go up here. This is my column and its children are the image view, fields and the buttons. Okay, so I'm going to click on this button, bulb, and wrap with widget, and I'll name it form. Okay, so this form needs a key. This key is basically used to uniquely identify the forms. For example, this app or screen can have multiple forms, so to we'll need to provide it a unique identifier for the forms so that we can validate it. Okay, so let us first create the key. I'll name it form key. That will be global key with the form state. Okay, now I am going to put this key here. I'll say this is the form key. Now if we validate these fields, we can validate it with this field, with this key. Okay, so now we need to validate this text field and this text field. This is for the username and this is for the password. So as we have created a separate class for it, let's just go on to this definition, and here I am going to create a key because we need to pass that key to validate it. We will need to tell it this is the global key, from state. Now fix it. Okay, now we are going to provide this key in the constructor. Okay, so here's a field. I am going to say it, I want to validate it. Now what does this validator do? This validator will validate the text field. For example, if we provide it the condition, for example, like if value equals null or value dot is empty, we can return a message, or if it is not the case, we will return null. If the field is validated, we will return null. Okay, this condition could be anything, like if this is an email field, you can add some regex here and validate it, and if the field is validated, it will return null, else it will return a message. So here we are going to return a message like this field is required. We are going to copy this because we have used two conditions, so we also need to add it here also. Okay, so now let's get back to our main class. This is our main class, and here we need to provide it form key. What was the name? Okay, it is asking for me the sorry, form key. I will copy it and provide it here. Okay, so we have provided the key, we have validated it, but these actions need to perform on some action. What I mean is, these actions will be performed on user interaction. For example, if your user clicks on the button, these conditions would work. So we will go in the on press. So whenever the user clicks the button, something need to happen. So here we are going to add if form key dot current state dot validate. It means if the form key is validated, now here we will display a message with scaffold messenger dot of context dot show snack bar. Here we need to add the snack bar with some content would be the text, and here we will say user logged in successfully. Okay, now we need to add const modifier. Okay, now let's run the app, rerun the app. Okay, so if the user presses the button without adding the text in the fields, see, it's giving us the error. What if user provides only username but not the password? So this field is now error free, but this field is giving error. And now when user enters the password and on click of the login, see, user logged in successfully, because both fields have validated now, and after going from this condition, it says that the user logged in successfully. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you have any queries regarding this, please ask me in the comment section. I will also put this project on GitHub and give you the link in the description. So, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. 90% of my viewers are not subscribed, so please do subscribe to my channel. watch my videos, like my videos, and learn. We'll see you in the next.